Morning gold hunters. Well, we're back at it. Come back, water's up a wee bit, it's a bit higher up here, so we're just going to empty out the hole, hopefully. Jade's just doing that now. Clean that out, and then I think we're going to come around this bit, around here, and around that side of the rock, and then see if we can push these rocks in, and then try and get round into all this stuff in today, hopefully. And then yeah, so yeah, water's a wee bit higher, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Hopefully it'll be a good day. Alright, back soon. Well, we're just cleaning out, so Jade's just gone around that corner and into the back side of there. I'm just coming around this side. Just had a clean out and got those bits. So yeah, they look pretty cool. Nice bits in there. That's a picker. So I pick that up and it makes a little clink. Oh, that's two bits. Two bits. Yep, that's cool. Now, see what we get next. did a clean up. You got that. So yeah, nice bit there. So yeah, so we'll see how we go. Still getting used to how to work it.
I thought you were going to have lunch.
I am. Let's do this a little bit. That's the way to dredge. Over. This rock was across here, and now it's yeah, we've just sort of moved it, but it's got stuck. So hopefully, yeah, we can just go between it and then come back up into here and around this bit. So I'm not sure how good we're going to get it, because we can't obviously get that rock to go that way. We need it to go over into the back of there, but anyway, we'll see. Try and get round it. Hopefully get down to something good. Anyway, who knows? See, we're just going around. Jay's going around that end of the rock now. He's gone around the corner. We've come up along here, and then we've just stopped here basically. And yeah, I got really cold hands now. Look how white they are. Well, back at the cart. So yeah, we'll see what we got, eh? This is what's in there. I'll just clean it out and see what happens.
Bad day.
Right, so that's what we got. Oh, look at that nice black with the gold in there, Jade.
That's way better, doesn't it?
Anyway, 1.44. Oh, cool.